Okay, hello guys. I'm here today to explain to you how to factor out 5x squared plus 15. Factoring out means isolating isolating some of the parts of that monomial and splitting them into separate parts into a distributive property kind of thing sometimes. And so here we have 5x squared plus 15. To factor this out, we have two options. First of all, we could go with 5x times x because in essence it's 5x squared, so that means that 5x times x, because when you multiply x and x together you get x squared, so 5x times x is 5x squared. And so then how you would write that is 5x, and then in parentheses you would have x. But then we would run into a problem there, because you can't do 15 divided by 5x. So what would happen? So then you would see that this is the solution will not work. So then don't worry, we have another option. Since this is another way to look at this problem is to look at it as 5 times x squared, which means that 5 times x squared. And then due to this is a better way to do it, and because you could do 15 divided by 5 to get plus 3 here. So then the factored out solution of 5x squared plus 15 would be 5 times x squared plus 3 in parentheses. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.